A warm welcome to IDS 2025. We're very happy to meet and greet you at the DMG booth, and we are even happier to present a lot of novelties this time. New products, new innovations, and I would like to invite you to take a walk with me around the DMG booth to look at what we have in store for you. The highlight of our show this year is our new treatment concept for developmental enamel opacities. The main topic that's being discussed under this heading at the moment are the so-called chalky teeth. Molar incisor hypermineralization is the correct term, MIH. And we are the first company worldwide to have developed a treatment concept for this disease, which is a problem for children around the globe with a growing prevalence. The treatment of MIH-affected lesions consists of two steps. The infiltration with Icon, which we have optimized by adding Icon Prime to the product, which makes sure that the infiltration is more efficient. The infiltrant penetrates deeper into the lesion. Moreover, we have developed a new bleaching gel for the rest bleaching. The bleaching is a necessary step to precondition the lesions before the infiltration can be successful. Bleaching is a preparatory step, at-home bleaching for the children. To be able to bleach their teeth, they need a bleaching tray. Here comes our Dentamol bleaching workflow into play that we have developed and optimized to work ideally with the bleaching gel and with the MIH treatment concept. Speaking of bleaching workflows and 3D printed trays, we look at our new Dentamol workflow for bite splits. We have optimized the material. Luxaprint Ortho Comfort is what we're launching here for splints that are rigid enough but at the same time comfortable enough for the patient. Last but by no means least, we have developed DeltaFill, our glass ionomer material, a little bit of a retro product, but we have optimized it in every way. Better material chemistry, better material technology, a new transparent capsule, and a new applicator, which is actually still in prototype stage, but we did want to show it here at the meeting. And we hopefully will be able to launch the product, which is a true amalgam alternative and optimized again for the treatment of children and elderly people in the third quarter of 2025. A product that's already been in the market for a little while, at least in Europe, is Luxatemp Max Protect, which is the addition to our Luxatemp family. Luxatemp has been praised and used for decades as the go-to alternative for provisionals. Luxatemp Max Protect is now the new family member for long-term provisionals that last up to 1 year, for which we have clinical proof, which is important for us. I would like to invite you to come and see us at the DMG booth, look at the new products.